Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you how can you use Webflow without having this made in Webflow, the banner over here. And it's really hard to get done because many people were not able to figure out about it, like how can I remove this, and even you won't find lots of videos about it in YouTube, but in my channel you can find it out and you can figure it out. So do subscribe to my channel before like seeing this video, please. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, we're gonna go and right click in the not this one project, and then we are gonna right click over it, and then we are gonna go for view page source. And when we have done that, we can do the line wrap, it doesn't matter, and we can copy all of this and paste inside of our text editor. So now you can paste it here. I did it like already, and now if you like open it with live server, so you see something like this popping out. Yeah, this one. And now if you see, you can still see the Webflow banner, doesn't matter, you are going live, right? So what can we do now? What's something that could be done? So we can figure out the class related to this one, like what class does it have. So it has a class of w.webflow badge, right? And there's a tricky way of getting this done. And now if you go back to your text editor and open it, and now if you open a new style, first of all let's just format it so that we can see it clearly, otherwise many things will be messed up over here. So okay, was it yeah. So if I paste the style sheet over here, like okay, so if I go with this class and then I add a dot sign over here, so now you have got the trick, right? I hope so. So if you give it a display of none, so it's gonna be, guess what, let's see. It's gonna get disappear now. It will take some time to load it up, guys, and I assure you that it will disappear. Oh wait, maybe something messed up. Let me see, like why is it happening? It shouldn't have been happening this way though. But now let's see, like okay. So guys, whenever you are like dealing with something like that, many like CSS are there which are disabling this and disabling it to de-exist or disabling it to have a display of none. So whenever something like that happens, you should give important something like this over here, so that whatever class it is, it applies to, whatever property it is, the CSS property or the style sheet property it applies to this certain class. And now if we go back and let's see what happens. We are back, and now you can see it gets disappeared. I'll load it so that you guys are able to see that it doesn't exist anymore, and it works really. And if I refresh it again, and I wait for a while, and if I refresh it again for you, so you can see it's same, and it's like pretty much done without having lots of troubles. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to here, and if you have watched till here, so do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. See you guys, have a great day.